one day out from one of the biggest events that's about to happen.
To organize a pop-up event is because it's really popular.
Win again.
They sharing
and
it,
also
they sharing.
This might be very hard.
But you guys must prepare some questions
yes,
and let them know what
lovely.
to answer.
And why the
I'm from Vietnam.
With these 8 apps, within 5 minutes, you can start a business.
I want to share with you what I've been working on. So this way it kind of gives you a glimpse into the after result, which is in front of 3,000 people in Bali. Late nights I've been working, stuck in here for 10 hours a day, locking myself from everyone. So it's my duty, my responsibility to take on the big role, and basically the goal is to highlight and share what SVO.ai is all about. All right, so now we're gonna head to the convention center where pretty much like 60%, if not more, of the SVO.ai team is preparing to set up for the big event tomorrow. I really am so passionate about what we're building out and what we're gonna share with everyone live in Bali tomorrow, because it will help a lot of people. I believe that, I genuinely do, otherwise I wouldn't be doing it. And the entire team believes that. That's why they've been working non-stop till 3 a.m. every single day. Everyone's just working really hard because they believe in it, right? Scary, bro.
Pressure.
Yeah. So today is the day. What is that day? I present in front of over 3,000 people, nearly 4,000. This is a good challenge, and how I'm feeling, really nervous. Excited, but more nervous than excitement because I don't know what's gonna happen. I wanna go out there, have fun, give as best energy as I can, and put not too much expectation in myself, but really just make sure that the audience is having fun, but more importantly that I'm having fun. Yeah, the nervousness is kind of like dying down a bit more as the day goes on. And the reason why is I'm telling myself it's just gonna have fun, whatever happens will happen, don't put any pressure on yourself. And then once again I remind myself, hey Jaden, it's not the first time that you've spoken on a big stage. And that's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna do my best.
And I am so excited, nervous as well, but I'm literally 4 hours away from speaking. So it's finally over, and I'm excited because I was able to share the message, but I was like literally nervous the entire way going up to the stage. But as soon as I got on stage, my confidence came back, and I don't know how I did. I don't know what the feedback is, but all I know is that I had a lot of fun, and I was just glad that I can share the message to all the world. So now it's finally over, so it's time for me to take a break and go eat and go drink.